Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to see your like posts on Facebook. First of all, open up the Facebook application on your phone. When you are into your Facebook accounts, tap on the menu icon from the bottom right corner. Now, from the menu, tap on Settings from the top bar. Otherwise, you can scroll down a bit and go into Settings and Privacy. Then, head to Settings and scroll down here. Now from the settings, tap on Activity Log option. From your activity log, go into Activity History. And then from here, tap on Filters. Then, go into its category and head to Your Activity across Facebook. Scroll down in Activity and go into Comments and Reactions. Now from here, head to Likes and Reaction. And you will be able to see all of your liked posts here. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below and I will see you in the next one.